Hi everyone, this is Firefighter Ted here again with Sparky. Sparky, do you know what this is? Do you know what this is? I'll give you a hint. You should have a lot of these throughout your home. This is a smoke detector. Sparky, do you know what sound a smoke detector makes? Do you know what sound a smoke detector makes? Here's what it sounds like. That's right, it goes beep, beep, beep. It's very loud and very scary. But it needs to be loud and scary. So when you hear it, you know there's danger and smoke in your home. This way you can get low and go right outside. For a fun activity we're going to have everybody do at home with an adult, can you go throughout your home and find all your smoke detectors? Let us know how many you have.